Here I have LG G4c and let me show you how to take screenshots on the following device. At the very beginning, let me open the screen that I want to capture. In my case it could be, for example, a calendar, and let's just simply assume that I want to save the following screen. So all I have to do is use the following combination of keys: volume down key and power button. Let's hold down together these two keys for about 2 seconds. And as you can see and hear the device just took a screenshot. Let me show you one more time. Let's hold down together volume down and power key. And you just took the other screenshot. Now if you would like to share, edit or delete taken screenshots, you have to find the screenshot folder. The quickest way to do it is by using apps icon and by tapping the gallery. Here you should choose screenshot album, and now you can choose your screenshot and share, edit or delete captured screen. Excellent, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.